Grewald, welcome to Frog's Point Honey. Let's cook. Add a half a cup of caramelized onions and 1 cup of beef stock to a pot and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, cut some thick slices of bread so that they fit into an oven-safe ramekin. Take out the bread, and once the soup is nice and hot, put it in the bowl. Put the bread on top, and add a couple of slices of Gruyere cheese. Transfer to a baking sheet and put it under the broiler until the cheese is brown and bubbly. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. All of the ingredients are in the description down below, and if you need to make your own caramelized onions, well, the recipe for that is on my previous video. Thank you again.